This is our ICM Statistics video project. It was done by Brooke Barnes, Canaan Grant, and Joshua Riemer.
Our group's data collection method was convenience. The responses we got were from the people who were the easiest for us to access. Our responses were from people who filled out our survey after they received a link to it on Twitter, Instagram, text messages, or from me shouting at them in the hallway. With the data we gathered, we found 4 measures of central tendency. The mean, which is the sum of all of the data points divided by the total number of data points, was 2.5. Our median, which is the centermost value when the values are arranged in ascending or descending order, was 2. The mode, which is the number that appears most frequently in the data, was also 2. And the mid-range, which is the average of the minimum and maximum values, was 4.
Measures of spread. The measures of spread are median, variance, standard deviation, quartiles, and the interquartile range, also known as IQR. Quartiles are the medians of the lower and upper parts of the data. Q2 is the median, which is found directly in the center of all of the data values. IQR, short for interquartile range, is equal to the upper quartile minus the lower quartile values. Variance and standard deviation. Variance is the expectation of the squared deviation of a random variable from its mean. It measures how far a set of numbers are spread out from their mean. Standard deviation is a quantity value calculated to indicate the extent of deviation from the mean for a group of values.
We found that our data was not normally distributed. We know this because we have different values for the mean, median, and mode. While the median and mode equaled 2, the mean equaled 2.5. To the right, we have a graph of high school seniors' participation in extracurricular activities.